Bill Hubbard, Coldwell Banker, beautiful British Columbia. This is your real estate market review for November of 2025 for the North Okanagan. The North Okanagan is basically a balanced market. You talk to a lot of realtors and they'll say, no, the market's bad. Well, the market is bad compared to COVID or post-COVID. That was the biggest boom the British Columbia and virtually the whole world ever saw is post-COVID. So, but really, when you look at the statistics, it's a balanced market. You look at the absorption here in the North Okanagan, 14.53%. That means 14.53% of the houses that were on the market on November 1st sold in November. That is in the middle or close to the middle of that range of 12 to 20%, which is a balanced market. And you look right back consistently for the whole year. You had 15, 15, 15, 16, 16. It's consistently just right along that mid-range or slightly less than the mid-range of the balanced market. If you look at sales as well, there was 51 housing sales in the North Okanagan in November of 2025. Last November, there was 53. The November before that, there was 54. Prices are basically remaining steady. They inched down a fair bit post-COVID, so about halfway through 2023 to 2024 was where the real correction was. But they've remained fairly constant since then. And you have to remember that that's just sort of the overall average price. Prices above $1 million are still coming down, actually, and prices are constant or rising in the lower price ranges, simply because the buyer pool is much larger in those lower price ranges than it is in the higher price ranges. That's your market review for the North Okanagan for November of 2025.